this water treatment system by a company called H2o Concepts in Phoenix, Arizona, was installed in a house that I just bought. And I wasn't having, despite a bunch of claims, I was on their website. They claim that they do electronic scale prevention control. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean. But I definitely didn't have soft water. And I ended up replacing the system with a proper, water softener. And as I was removing it, I got kind of curious about what this thing was. This seems to be their big claim for all their, the big claim to their proprietary space age technology. Turns out, basically this was just a PVC pipe that appears to be lined with a piece of stainless steel. You can see two holes tapped in here. That's for these electrodes that were threaded into this pipe, and attached to the electrodes were the ends of these wires here, which go into the special H2o transformer. 3 pins, and I guess maybe there's a common ground here or something like that, but I don't see 3 wires. One is a shield, I guess. Anyway, these go through in the center of this thing. Kind of see on the end caps there's some sort of another piece of stainless, this cutout, and this rod, stainless rod, sits right in the center like this, and that kind of sits in the center of this tube all the way through. There's another one on the other end. Can see that. And on this rod, it's threaded, so one of the electrodes went through the outside of the PVC and then kind of threaded in like this. So yeah, you've got some sort of current running through the water, I suppose. This piece also came out, and it seems to, all I did was basically cut this in half. It seems to fit into here. It's another piece of stainless. I'm not sure why it was separated, if that's part of the proprietary technology as well. Feels like another piece of stainless, but not quite sure. One of the interesting things is all of this came out as I was cutting and cleaning. So you could see a bunch of rust built up in here. It's possible that this was welded in. Can't exactly tell that end piece may have been welded in, and then if they didn't use stainless rod or something like that, it might have, welding rod, it might have corroded. Not exactly sure, but that's all it is.